Day 31 in the Big Brother house, and it is eviction day. If you didn't have time to sit through hours of live feeds, don't worry, I watched them so you don't have to. Here's everything that actually mattered in about 5 minutes with none of the fluff. Coming into today, one thing has become pretty clear. Melody is now the favorite to be evicted, but this vote is still completely dependent on who wins tonight's Blockbuster competition. If Melody loses, she's likely going home. If she wins, Drew becomes a target. Meanwhile, Lyric has quietly gone from being in serious danger to looking like the safest of the three nominees. The biggest story from yesterday is that Dee thinks she successfully flipped the vote to save Drew. She spent a good portion of the day campaigning to Haley and Kamu, believing she had convinced them to keep Drew no matter what. The problem, after Dee left the room, Haley and Kamu had another conversation and changed the plan without telling her. Their new strategy is simple: split up Drew and Melody. That means Melody leaves if she's still on the block, but if Melody wins the Blockbuster, Drew is the backup target. Dee still thinks she's in control, but she may not realize the vote slipped right back out of her hands. Later into the night, we may have witnessed the beginning of a showmance, just as it could be ending. Drew and Melody spent a lot of time together, sharing long emotional hugs before eventually climbing into bed together. There wasn't any kissing, but there was definitely a connection forming. Unfortunately for them, one of them is expected to leave tonight, meaning this relationship might end before it ever really gets started. Barrett also had a rough day strategically. While talking with Yash, he accidentally let it slip that Drew was no longer the target. Yash immediately questioned how Barrett even knew that information since he wasn't supposed to. That conversation created some suspicion, and Barrett may have unintentionally exposed that more people know about the vote than they should. Angela continues to be one of the few people pushing back against keeping Drew. Even after hearing about the new plan, she still believes getting Drew out is the better move. She's not completely buying what Dee is trying to sell and continues questioning whether keeping him around is worth the risk. As rumors started spreading, Yash went into investigation mode. After hearing Drew was suddenly expected to stay, he started talking with Chuck and Angela, trying to figure out what had changed. The funny part is, Chuck himself didn't even know the full plan had shifted, so everyone seemed to be operating with different versions of the truth. Meanwhile, Dee and Devins now have an important decision to make. Do they continue pushing to save Drew completely, or do they simply hope Drew wins the Blockbuster so Melody could be voted out without exposing their hand? Right now, it looks like they're leaning toward letting the competition decide instead of forcing another vote flip. Another interesting development came from Taylor, who had conversations with Yash about potentially locking in a tighter alliance with Haley and Chuck heading into next week. It could become an important group if the house continues splitting into clear sides. Taylor also had a very honest conversation with Drew. She basically told him that he talks way too much and that everything he says eventually gets back to other people. Even though she still wants to work with him, she made it clear that he has to stop leaking information if he wants to survive in this game. For one of the first times all season, Drew became emotional. He admitted he feels guilty about how he's played, saying he feels like he's been a rat and hates the idea that Melody is probably leaving because of everything that's happened. Devins comforted him, reminding him that difficult decisions are simply part of playing Big Brother. One of the more frustrating storylines continues to be Barrett refusing to tell Drew the truth. Drew still doesn't fully realize he was the actual target this week, and Barrett keeps missing opportunities to warn him. If Drew survives this week without learning what almost happened, it could dramatically affect his game moving forward. Looking at the house as a whole, the lines are becoming much more clear. Haley, Kamu, Chuck, Taylor, and Yash appear to be growing closer, while Dee and the Icons continue trying to control the game from the other side. Drew finds himself stuck somewhere in the middle, not fully realizing just how vulnerable his position actually is. And finally, tonight's time capsule is guaranteed to go to a newbie. Since none of the Icons are eligible this week, that means someone new could walk away with a game-changing power or an unfortunate punishment. The biggest remaining prize is still the Coin of Destiny, which could potentially flip an entire HOH reign upside down. So heading into eviction night, here are the biggest questions. Can Melody save herself on the Blockbuster? If she does, will the house actually send Drew home? Will Dee make one final push to flip the vote again? And will Barrett finally tell Drew the truth before it's too late? We'll find out all this tonight. But if you enjoy quick, no fluff Big Brother live feed updates every single day, plus strategy breakdowns, rankings, and all kinds of fun Big Brother content, make sure you hit that follow or subscribe button so you don't miss a single update this season. Until next time.